DeepSeek integration Addon brings powerful AI capabilities, allowing you to generate smart and engaging quiz questions in just seconds. Whether you are building personality tests, educational quizzes, or fun trivia, DeepSeek will create questions based on a topic you provide. Moreover, you can upload a PDF file and DeepSeek will generate questions based on the content of that file. No more spending hours on question creation. With DeepSeek, this process becomes faster, simpler, and way more efficient. Let's take a closer look at how this integration works. As you can see, the QuizMaker plugin is already installed and activated. So let's install the DeepSeek integration add-on to see how it works. As you can see, right after the installation of the DeepSeek integration add-on, this icon has appeared on a questions page of our QuizMaker plugin. But in order the integration and question generating feature can work for us, we need to go to the General Settings page, Integrations tab, and scroll down a little bit to find the DeepSeek integration there. Here it is. Here we need to insert the API key, and for that we need to click on Instructions button and then go to our DeepSeek account if we have already created one. If not, you can sign up here. So we click and go to our DeepSeek account, API keys page. Here we need to click on a Create New API Key button. Name our key, for example, Testing Key, and click on a Create API Key button. From here, we need to copy the API key, then go back to our dashboard and insert the API key here. Then save the changes. Also here, you can choose the model for the DeepSeek integration. With the next step, we go to the Questions page, and here we can see the icon for the integration. We click on it. Here we can see two types for generating questions, either default or file. With the default type, we can provide a questions theme, and DeepSeek will generate questions based on the theme we have specified here. And for the file type, you can upload your own PDF file, and DeepSeek will generate questions based on the content of that PDF file. So let's start from the default one. Here we have specified the theme as geographic, so DeepSeek will generate questions related to this topic, and we have specified 3 questions and 3 answers for the questions. And here we have specified the category as travel personality. You can change it anytime you prefer. We have specified the question status as published, and here you can choose your desired question text if you want. Then we can click on a generate button and wait for some seconds. As you can see, our questions have successfully been generated, so we can close it. And here you can see 3 questions appeared here. We can open them. Here are our questions with answer options. We can go back, click on this icon again, and choose a file for this time. And here we need to upload our PDF file where the text is written. Please note that a PDF file must contain only text without images, so that the functionality can work for you, and the file must be of the PDF file format. So we can click here and choose the file, for example this one. Here we can specify how many questions the DeepSeek will need to generate. For example, let's write 5. And with 3 answers, we can choose the category as, for example, geography. The question status is published, and we don't want to choose question text for this time. We can click on the generate button and wait for some seconds. Our questions have successfully been generated, so we can close it. And here you can see 5 questions about geography have been generated based on the content of our PDF file. So we can open the questions, and the PDF file was about Sahara Desert. And here you can see the questions and answers. That's all. As you can see, creating questions becomes much easier with our DeepSeek integration. And what is great about the add-on is that it works both with the free version and all pro versions of the Quizmaker plugin. If you still have any questions related to the add-on's functionality, feel free to contact our support team, as they are always ready to help you.